The video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. 1. Okaloosa Island's beaches. Start your Fort Walton Beach adventure on the sugar white sands of Okaloosa Island. This is the crown jewel of the Emerald Coast. The sand here is as soft as powder and stays cool on your feet. The water is a stunning shade of emerald green. The beaches are wide, clean, and far less crowded than busier spots like Destin or Panama City Beach. You can spend the whole day swimming, floating, building sandcastles, or simply relaxing with a good book under an umbrella. The waves are gentle, making it perfect for families with young children. The sunsets over the Gulf are absolutely breathtaking. Find a spot, watch the sky turn orange and pink, and let the stress of daily life melt away. This is what a Florida vacation is all about. 2. Gulfarium Marine Park. Next, head to the Gulfarium Marine Adventure Park, a beloved local attraction since 1955. This is one of the oldest marine parks in the country, but it remains a fan favorite for families. You can watch thrilling dolphin shows and playful sea lion performances. The park offers incredible up-close animal encounters. You can feed penguins, touch stingrays, and even book a VIP trainer experience to work alongside staff. The brand new Dolphin Oasis habitat is a state-of-the-art facility where you can watch these intelligent creatures swim and play. The Gulfarium is compact enough to enjoy in just a couple of hours, leaving you plenty of time for the beach. It is the perfect mix of education and entertainment for all ages. 3. Air Force Armament Museum. Military history buffs will feel like they hit the jackpot at the Air Force Armament Museum. Located near the main gate of Eglin Air Force Base, this is the only museum in the country dedicated to displaying Air Force armaments publicly. The outdoor grounds feature a dazzling display of over 30 reconnaissance planes, fighter jets, and bombers. You can walk right up to an SR-71 Blackbird, the fastest jet ever built. Inside, you will find hundreds of artifacts from World War I to modern combat zones. There is an interactive fighter cockpit simulator where you can test your flying skills. The museum is free to enter, making it a fantastic budget-friendly activity. Aviation fans will absolutely love this place. 4. Heritage Park and Mound. Step back in time at the Heritage Park and Cultural Center, a living time capsule of local history. The centerpiece is the Indian Temple Mound Museum, which sits on a 1,000-year-old ceremonial mound built by Native Americans. The museum houses one of the largest collections of Native American artifacts in the southeastern United States, with over 1,000 pieces of stone, clay, bone, and shell. The mound itself is a National Historic Landmark. You can also explore the Camp Walton Schoolhouse Museum and the Garnier Post Office Museum, which showcase life in early 1900s Okaloosa County. The outdoor museum grounds are open from sunup to sundown. This is a fascinating and educational stop for anyone interested in the region's deep history. 5. Okaloosa Island Pier. Walk out onto the Okaloosa Island Fishing Pier, a local landmark that extends over 1,200 feet into the Gulf of Mexico. You can rent fishing gear on site and try to catch Spanish mackerel, redfish, pompano, or even tarpon. The pier is a great way to experience the Gulf without ever getting wet. Not into fishing? No problem. Many visitors simply walk the pier for the awesome ocean views and dolphin sightings. You can often see sea turtles and stingrays swimming below. Sunrise and sunset are especially beautiful from the end of the pier. The small fee to walk out is worth every penny for the sweeping panoramic views. It is a peaceful, relaxing experience for anglers and sightseers alike. 6. Emerald Coast Science Center. Unleash your curiosity at the Emerald Coast Science Center, a hands-on museum designed to make science fun for kids. This place is like a field trip without the long lines or strict schedules. The museum is home to over 45 touchable, workable exhibits. You can fly models in a wind tunnel, play with electricity gadgets that make your hair stand up, or get an up-close look at tarantulas and other creepy crawlies. The center also features over 30 live animals, including reptiles and amphibians. Kids can explore indoor and outdoor exhibits, including a steam maker space. It is a perfect indoor activity for a rainy afternoon or a break from the hot sun. The center is open year-round and located next to a neighborhood park near Santa Rosa Sound. 7. Downtown and the Landing. Stroll through downtown Fort Walton Beach to experience its local charm. The area is packed with quirky boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes. You can browse unique shops, grab a coffee, and soak in the friendly atmosphere. Weekend markets often pop up with local crafts and fresh produce. The Landing, a nearby waterfront park, is a favorite spot for locals to unwind. It hosts concerts, festivals, and food truck events throughout the year. It is the kind of place where you can stroll without a schedule and find something new around every corner. Live music and friendly vibes make this area a perfect spot for an afternoon or evening out. 8. Wild Willy's Adventure Zone. Bring the whole family to Wild Willy's Adventure Zone, a massive indoor-outdoor family entertainment center. Located directly across from the beach on Okaloosa Island, it offers a perfect compromise when the family is split between a beach day and an amusement park day. You can race on go-karts, challenge each other on 2 miniature golf courses, test your skills on a 60-foot ropes course, and battle friends in laser tag. The 16,000-square-foot arcade is packed with over 70 state-of-the-art games. There is also a 4D movie theater, bumper boats, and an inflatable zone for younger kids. The park is dinosaur-themed and has an on-site frozen yogurt shop. It is Northwest Florida's largest family entertainment center and a guaranteed hit for all ages. 9. Pontoon to Crab Island. Rent a pontoon boat and cruise to the world-famous Crab Island. This is not actually an island, but a vibrant underwater sandbar just offshore. You can anchor your boat in the clear, waist-deep water and spend the day swimming, floating on a lily pad, or snorkeling. The atmosphere is lively, with dozens of other boats gathered, music playing, and food vendors floating by on small rafts. It is a unique, party-like experience that is incredibly popular with visitors. Several local rental companies offer pontoons for half-day or full-day rentals. Some charters include dolphin watching on the way. If you prefer a captained experience, you can book a tour that takes you to Crab Island, the Destin Harbor, and the Intracoastal Waterways. It is a fantastic way to spend a sunny day on the water. 10. The Boardwalk Dining. Finally, end your evening at the Boardwalk on Okaloosa Island. This waterfront complex sits right on the beach and offers several fantastic dining options with Gulf views. You can feast on succulent fresh seafood at places like the Crab Trap, Floyd's Shrimp House, or AJ's Beach Club. Try local favorites like fried shrimp, oysters, or a po' boy sandwich. The boardwalk also has casual spots for tacos, burgers, and even gelato for dessert. After dinner, you can walk along the beach, listen to live music, or just enjoy the sea breeze. The sunsets from the boardwalk are spectacular. It's the perfect place to cap off a full day of adventure with great food, good drinks, and an unbeatable view. Fort Walton Beach is a hidden gem on the Emerald Coast. The beaches are beautiful, the food is fresh, and the atmosphere is wonderfully relaxed. Come ready to explore and leave planning your return trip.